On top our tori for today, Naija don lose Ogbonge peacemaker. Presido Buhari tok dis one as Danjuma Bayonga waka go meet Baba God. Presido Buhari don greet the family of Bayonga, government and people of Taraba State unto the waka comot of His Royal Highness Danjuma Stephen Bayonga the Garadonga. Presido Buhari tok say the 81-year-old na first-class traditional ruler and retired policeman wey throway body put for the development of im people, and Naija don lose Ogbonge person wey dey fight for peace. Buhari tok say Garadonga na businessman and a founding member of Social Democratic Party (SDP) and a leader wey dey respect people well for old Gongola state before they come create Taraba, and im work na to see say peace dey the state and the country. Presido Buhari come tell the family of Danjuma Bayonga, im friends, family and Taraba State say make dem no too think am, but make dem sabi say the traditional ruler live better life and a person wey people suppose copy im lifestyle. He come pray say make Baba God give them strong mind to fit bear this loss. Now here we see the better informate reach on top our tori for today as President Buhari don yarn and say Naija don lose better peacemaker as Danjuma Bayonga don waka go meet Baba God. Make una no forget say this Ogbonge informate so na T Live Media na im bring am come for una. And to continue to dey get this correct and clear informate as they happen for Nigeria and for everywhere for the world, more una no forget to follow, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now if you follow us, waka enter Facebook to follow and like our page for T Live Media. Our website sidon gidigba for www.tlivemedia.com. More na follow am to get Ogbonge tori as e dey hot.